Under the shimmering prehistoric ocean, a snake-headed lizard picks up a stone and swallows it whole. The rock slides smoothly down its long, slender neck, straight into its stomach. But this isn't just a random act. These stones are essential tools, helping the lizard crush food it hasn't chewed. Learning to swallow stones is a skill that requires precision, something each generation must master. Meanwhile, the mother and her young one take this opportunity to find a mate. Their courtship rituals are surprisingly human-like. Playful interactions, close communication, and eventually forming a bond. They entwine, moving together in a synchronized dance of nature. But when the moment passes, mother and child return to the ocean, ready to continue their fight for survival. But fate is rarely kind. Midway through their journey, the mother's steps grow heavy. She's slowing down, an easy target. A sea dragon appears, its piercing gaze locked onto the struggling lizard. The young one senses danger, but doesn't run. Instead, it turns back, deliberately drawing attention away from its mother, buying her precious seconds to escape. It's a risky move, but it's not alone. Other members of the group rush in, working together to chase off the predator. Beneath the waves, the mother battles through her pain. She's about to give birth. Within moments, a baby emerges, already over 10 feet long, nearly half the size of its mother. Instinctively, it follows her to the surface, taking its first breath of life. If it's lucky enough to survive, this lizard could live to be 80 years old. But the ocean isn't the only kingdom of giants. The skies belong to the flying dinosaurs. Along the shore, 7 different species of pterosaurs thrive, each with its own unique form. Some even resemble ducks. They rest here, guarding their young from lurking predators. High above, on an isolated cliff, a baby pterosaur trembles in the wind. A single slap could make it cry for ages, and if its mother found out, well, I'd be crying too. But fear can't hold it back forever. Following its instincts, the tiny creature climbs the rocky wall, joining a cluster of other hatchlings at the top, all preparing for their first flight. At first, no one dares to jump, but then one brave soul takes the leap, and suddenly they all follow. Not a single one fails. But their victory is short-lived. Predators have been waiting for this exact moment. Some of the young are snatched mid-air, while others panic and land in the middle of an unfamiliar flock. Another deadly mistake. Only a handful make it to safety. The dense jungle ahead will provide them with everything they need. Over the next 5 years, they will grow, adapt, and fight to survive. And one day they too will take to the skies, carrying on the legacy of their ancestors.